Hi, this is Jenny Brackett Brooks, and this is my introduction for class 7210. Originally, I'm from Holly Springs, Georgia. I was born in downtown Atlanta at Crawford Long and have grown up in a small suburb, which is now no longer small, grown quite a bit. I graduated with a film degree from Georgia State and then added an education degree and gifted ed. So, education was not my first line of work. I got married, and my husband owns Amici's Frozen Yogurt location, where we employed our kids and lots of their friends. These are my three children. This is my 24th year teaching. I've taught every grade except the 11th. And currently, I am gifted coordinator and teach AP Honors English at Creekview High School in Cherokee County School District in Georgia. And one of the diversity issues that I have had to deal with in my past, and this took place mainly in elementary school, I had some boys, gifted boys, who refused to listen to or give credit to some of the females in the class. And it was an issue that got so bad I did have to deal with it, and I did have to get advice from the principal and eventually talk to the parents. So gender equity is definitely an issue I've dealt with. This past year, I taught AP for the first time, AP literature, and felt unsure if I, as a white woman, was able to address all the issues and do it justice in Ralph Ellison's Invisible Man, and met with a good friend of mine who is Black, and we sat down and she kind of walked me through it and said that just the fact that I was teaching, I'd already previously taught Their Eyes Are Watching God, which such a powerful book, and she said just the fact that I'm introducing these to the students, and I'm honest and open, I will have little to no issues with the race and the gender and the sex issues in the book. Um, and that's how I've kind of taken my entire education career, is being honest and open and sincere and showing empathy when I can, and recognize that empathy needs to be given, of course. That's step number one. And then kids know that I am fair and they can trust me to guide them. So that to me is my biggest, and I want to get more confident in that and understand that I am equipped to discuss these things. Thank you so much. I look forward to the class.